Welcome to our fascinating exploration of the most innovative and intriguing firearms in history. Today's journey will take us through a timeline of gun evolution, from rudimentary but clever designs to the pinnacle of modern firearms technology. Each weapon we discuss is a chapter in the ongoing story of human ingenuity and the pursuit of perfection in armament. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights into remarkable technological advancements. Number 10. The Littlest Shotgun, a miniature marvel. Our first item is a testament to the DIY spirit in firearm innovation. This miniaturized 12-gauge shotgun, inspired by a movie prop, challenges our perceptions of what firearms can be. The process of trimming the barrels to a mere 3 inches demonstrates the fascinating intersection of creativity and functionality. Despite its diminutive size, this shotgun retains its effectiveness, albeit with a reduced range, showcasing the versatility and adaptability of firearm designs. Number 9. GB22M, Engineering Simplicity. The GB22M, a brainchild of Mark Serbu, is an embodiment of minimalist design in firearms. It's a statement on the accessibility of gun manufacturing, allowing enthusiasts to assemble a working firearm with minimal components. This pistol's design reflects a growing movement towards simpler, more user-friendly firearms that democratize the craft of gunsmithing. Number 8. Serbu RN50, a lesson in affordability. The RN50 sniper rifle, born from the innovative mind of Mark Serbu, represents a significant step in making precision shooting more accessible. By marrying simplicity with effectiveness, the RN50 serves as a reminder that advanced functionality doesn't always require complexity. This rifle demonstrates how innovation can also be about stripping down to the essentials, making high-caliber shooting a reality for a broader audience. Number 7. Beretta U-22 Neos, a historical gem. The Beretta U-22 Neos is more than a firearm. It's a bridge between the past and present of gunmaking. Its design and functionality represent centuries of refined craftsmanship under the Beretta brand, the world's oldest firearms manufacturer. The Neos, designed for .22 LR cartridges, is an ideal tool for training and recreational shooting, combining historical significance with modern utility. Number 6. MT's 255, a revolutionary concept. The MT's 255, a Russian innovation, represents a bold fusion of a revolver's mechanics with the firepower of a shotgun. Its introduction in 1993 marked a significant departure from traditional shotgun design, offering a unique combination of style and functionality. This firearm's distinct mechanism and design have made it a subject of intrigue among gun enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 5. CMMG Descent, the future of compact firepower. The CMMG Descent submachine gun embodies the progression towards more compact yet powerful firearms. Its design philosophy caters to the demands of modern tactical scenarios where mobility and discretion are crucial. The Descent's small frame belies its powerful capabilities, a hallmark of modern firearm engineering that prioritizes versatility and adaptability in various combat and defensive situations. Number 4. Kel-Tec Sub 2000, Innovating Versatility. Kel-Tec's Sub 2000 is a remarkable example of adaptability in firearm design. Its ability to fold and accept different magazines makes it a standout in versatility. This carbine bridges the gap between a traditional rifle and a pistol, illustrating the trend in firearms towards multifunctional, user-friendly designs that cater to diverse needs, from self-defense to recreational shooting. Number 3. Sig Sauer MG 338, a technological powerhouse. The Sig Sauer MG 338 is a groundbreaking addition to the world of machine guns. It represents the fusion of cutting-edge technology with raw firepower, setting a new standard in the category. The integration of a recoil mitigation system marks a significant leap forward in weapon control and accuracy, reflecting the ongoing evolution of firearms towards more efficient and user-friendly designs. This machine gun is not just a tool of war. It's a showcase of how modern technology can drastically enhance the capabilities of traditional firearms. Number 2. KR-ISS Vector .45 ACP Alpine White, Redefining Submachine Gun Dynamics. The Chris Vector .45 ACP Alpine White stands out for its revolutionary approach to managing recoil, a fundamental challenge in firearm design. This submachine gun's unique mechanism, which directs recoil energy downward, significantly reduces muzzle climb. This engineering feat enables shooters to maintain control and accuracy, especially during rapid fire. The Vector represents not just a step, but a leap forward in gun engineering, combining ergonomic design with advanced ballistics technology. It's a favorite among both tactical professionals and firearms enthusiasts for its performance and futuristic design. Number 1. Cabot Guns Fire and Ice, the zenith of gun artistry. At the apex of our list are the Fire and Ice pistols by Cabot Guns, a stunning example of what happens when gunsmithing ascends to the level of fine art. These pistols are not just functional firearms, they are masterpieces of craftsmanship and luxury. The use of materials like Damascus steel and titanium, combined with elements like ancient meteorite fragments and blue sapphires, elevates these weapons to a status beyond mere tools. These guns represent the ultimate confluence of art, luxury, and functionality in firearm design. Bonus entry: AF 2011A, 1/2 century, doubling down on a classic. The AF 2011A 1/2 century is an audacious take on the legendary Colt M1911. By doubling the barrels, this handgun doubles its firepower, creating a symphony of bullets with each pull of the trigger. It's a firearm that respects its roots while boldly forging a new path, embodying the spirit of innovation that drives the entire industry forward. This weapon is not just a powerful tool but a statement piece, a testament to the creative potential in firearms design. Our journey through the annals of firearms has been a showcase of human ingenuity, creativity, and technological prowess. From the simplicity and ingenuity of the GB22M to the exquisite artistry of Cabot Guns Fire and Ice pistols, we've seen the incredible diversity and evolution in gun design and functionality. These firearms are not just tools of defense or sport, they are symbols of our unceasing quest to push the limits of what's possible. As we conclude, let us remember the immense power and responsibility that come with these remarkable tools. Firearms have played a pivotal role in shaping our history and continue to influence our present. Whether for defense, sport, or collection, each firearm carries with it a legacy of innovation and a responsibility to be used with respect and care. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of history, innovation, and artistry in the world of firearms. If you've enjoyed this journey, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging and informative content. Stay curious, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.